my friend. My name is Aisha Almaira. Today I will present about the duck. This is duck. The duck is vertebrate animal. The characteristic of duck is have a beak, have two wings, have two legs, and breathe through lungs, and reproduce by laying eggs. Thank you, my friend. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.